Welcome to the Airbag Clips Animations channel. Today's story is about airbags in utility vehicles you wouldn't normally see airbags in. Footage of simulations where airbags are used in vehicles such as aircrafts, tanks, and more. Stay tuned. Airbags in airplanes would protect pilots during severe turbulence and impacts during air combat. EMTs have to drive very fast to save lives. Airbags would help save our lives as well in the event of a crash.
Oh my God! Is everyone okay?
Military vehicles crash and get wrecked all of the time. There is no reason why we shouldn't have airbags to protect us in these vehicles. There are a number of boating accidents every year, and airbags can help prevent many injuries and deaths when out in the water. Buses would benefit from airbags as they would act as a cushion between the driver and the large windshield in the event of an accident.
Is everyone okay?
Workplace accidents can be dangerous. Airbags in vehicles like this forklift can help protect factory workers in those situations.
Oh my God, what was that?
Mech Fighters get beat up and hit all the time. Airbags in these things could really prevent a lot of injuries to us pilots.
Malfunction! Malfunction!
Airbags being installed in roller coasters can prevent injuries when malfunctions cause roller coasters to unexpectedly come to a sudden stop. RVs would benefit from airbags to keep drivers safe on long road trips in the event of a crash. There is a rise of truck drivers becoming exhausted and dozing off, leading to crashes. Airbags would help prevent injuries and deaths in those occurrences. In war, tanks face a lot of jarring impacts and destruction. Airbags in tanks would help us stay unhurt to be able to keep fighting after a big impact.
Danger. Tank condition is critical, Ilson.
With space travel, we face hazards such as asteroid belts. Airbags would protect us against any of the frequent impacts we experience.
Warning, spacecraft is experiencing heavy damage.
This is not good!
Well, that about does it for our coverage on airbags and utility vehicles. Thanks for watching and have a great day.